In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $12,105 in 22 days just by promoting Fiverr affiliate links using free traffic. I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting. I will share for beginners step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing business, how you can create an affiliate account like this one, and I will share with you new methods that you should start using if you want to earn some commission and so much more. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this information that I will share for free, and let's get started. Okay, so I made this commission in the month of April, from the first day of April until the day 22 of April. So it's 22 days. I made $12,105. Okay. Anyway, for people who are interested to start making money with Fiverr affiliate marketing business, what you need to do first, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here. It's super easy, and you will be directly in this page over here like this. After you finish your sign up process, the sign up process is super easy, guys, and simple. You have just to use your email address, and that's it. This will be your home page. So just come to this page and scroll down. Go to community and click over here on affiliate like this. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying a good commission, and you can make a lot of money with this affiliate marketing business because it's really profitable and it's super easy. Okay, so just click over here on join now, and here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country over here and choose your language. Okay, then put, if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, answer next few questions like this, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your Fiverr affiliate account, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So this will be your dashboard Fiverr affiliate account. Super easy. So what you need to do next is you need to choose a good service and profitable service that you will promote on Pinterest. We will use Pinterest to get free traffic to earn commission. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr, and I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate links that I'm promoting on Pinterest to earn commission. Okay, so click on the search and search for t-shirt design. Okay, search for this service. It's super easy. Search for t-shirt design, scroll down. Here you go. You will find a lot of people here who are providing this service on Fiverr. So you just need to choose a good seller. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose one of those sellers. So for example, let me see, I think like this one is really looking good. This one is level 2 seller. He has almost 5 star, a lot of reviews, fast delivery. He can design t-shirts within 24 hours. That's really good. We will click on his service like this, and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. This seller has 7 orders in queue, and you can see how many orders this seller has sold. Okay, a lot of people are buying this service, guys. Okay, so it's already working, and this seller has 7 orders in queue. People are buying this service. Okay, so what you will do next, you will copy this seller profile link like this, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Okay, click over here. So you have your dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here on deep link, and put this seller profile link here and click on save. Here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Okay, let's go to Pinterest. So if you guys don't have Pinterest account, go to Google. Let me show you. Guys, it's super easy. Just go to Google, search for Pinterest like this. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address, make sure to open business account, and that's it. You'll have just to use your email address, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. It's super easy. Why we choose Pinterest? So, did you know, guys, that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors? Okay, 1 billion monthly visitors. You can get so much traffic for free using Pinterest if you do it correctly, if you are doing a research, if you are choosing trending and good services. You can make so much money with affiliate marketing, promoting affiliate marketing links on Pinterest using free traffic. Okay, anyway, this will be your homepage after you finish your sign up process on Pinterest. Click over here on home feed, click on create pin. You will be directly in this page like this. So what you will do next, you need to upload a picture about this service. So what you will do, you will go back to this seller profile page. Let's see if we can find a good picture. Like this picture is really looking good. Let's check this one. So just click on the picture like this, looking really good. I will double click on this picture, click on save image. Okay, you need to save this picture to your laptop. Okay, I'm gonna name it t-shirt design like this, and I will go back to Pinterest and I will click over here and I will upload this picture to my Pinterest account. Super easy. Here you go. You need title and you need description. Let's go back to the seller profile page. Let's copy his title like this. We are just an affiliate marketer, so we can copy his title like this. Put this title here, description, go back to the seller profile page, scroll down. You should see this one about this gig. This is his description. Okay, you can copy this part like this. Go to Pinterest and you can put this part here. Okay, scroll down. You need to put here your affiliate link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I'm still getting this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. For you, if you created new Fiverr affiliate account, you should see just this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. It's almost the same. Okay, so just copy your affiliate link from here like this and go back to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here like this. Click over here on choose a board. If you have new account, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name and that's it. Okay, super easy. So, and you can create as many as you want. I will choose, for example, let me see, I'm gonna choose Pinterest, this one. You need to put here tags or keywords. So go back to this seller profile page, scroll down like this, keep scrolling down until you see this one, related tags. Okay, copy those keywords like this, t-shirt design, go to Pinterest and put those keywords here. Okay, and I'm gonna copy this one, go to Pinterest, put this keyword here, and here you go. After you finish, click on publish and your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest. This will be your picture, describe your service, this will be your affiliate link, this will be your title, this will be your description, and that's it. You can get so much traffic from Pinterest. A lot, millions of people every single day are searching for specific services and product on Pinterest, and if you do it correctly and if you are choosing good and profitable services. You can make a lot of money with affiliate marketing as a beginner using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. Okay, I also want to explain something, guys. Okay, I want to make this clear. This commission, $12,105, didn't come just from Pinterest. Okay, I like to make this clear. I'm not using only Pinterest. I'm using YouTube, Facebook groups, Instagram, Quora, Google, and so much more to get free traffic from those social media platforms. Okay, so if you are interested, you can go and check my YouTube channel. I share all those methods for free. Oh, and of course, Pinterest is also one of my profitable traffic sources that I'm getting traffic from and that helping me earn commission. Okay, so if you have new Pinterest account, make sure to promote just between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. If you start promoting a lot of affiliate links per day with new account, your account will get banned. So for me, I have old Pinterest accounts that I'm using to promote my affiliate links for free every single day using free traffic. Okay, and that's it. After a few weeks, then you can start increasing those services and start promoting between 2 and 5 affiliate links per day. But if you have new accounts, make sure to promote just between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys are interested in this business to make money with affiliate marketing as beginner, comment in this video affiliate marketing, and I will start sharing with you guys a lot of new methods that you can use to earn commission. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.